Hey guys, IT guy Michael here and welcome to the last video of this course about classification in Python on the Skillshare. If you reach this video, thank you very much for going through all the lectures. I hope you learned something new about the classification. In this video, we're gonna talk about the project, which should be as your assignment during this course. Now in my previous courses I make it a little loose, right? I just let you to post something with different data and stuff like this. I want to make the assignment or the project in this course a little different. I want from you to analyze one exact dataset from Kaggle. So the dataset is about the prediction of the rain, like whether it will rain or not in Australia. There is a very nice dataset linked in the project description of this course. So please go to the Kaggle and download the dataset in the first step. Now, during the project, please go through each of the steps which I was explaining in this course. So namely, after downloading the dataset, go through the description of the dataset in Kaggle. Like go through the columns, what are their meanings, what are they referring to, whether they are numerical or categorical or text, right? Be sure you are working only with numerical and categorical data from the dataset. Please don't use the text from there. If you are interested in how to use text in classification, I can create a video, just leave a comment, but this time just use the numbers and the categorical data. Now, after going through the columns and the features of the dataset, please make sure to go through the exploratory analysis, right? So plot the numbers, what are the distributions, plot the scatter plots, plot the correlation matrix to see what are the most feasible features to predict the raining in Australia. Now, after doing this, make sure you go through the preprocessing step and evaluate your preprocessing on the first prediction, right? Create a simple KNN classifier with the default values, all the logistic regression without any value, and see what are the predictions. Plot the precision recall F1 score and get the confusion metrics, okay? Get familiar with the data and make sure you understand what are you trying to predict. Now, after the preprocessing, you can apply the feature selection algorithms. Try to play with it. What are the best features for you, for your prediction, for your classifier? And then at the end, apply the grid search to find the most optimal parameters of the classifier. Don't forget to apply the pipelines to make your code more readable, more efficient, and then also you can take a picture of your best prediction and please post it into the project of this course. We can make a small challenge of who from the students can predict with the highest precision and recall and F-score on the dataset which is in this project, so the raining prediction dataset. Okay guys, if you are more into the machine learning and classification, I will publish some more courses later, so please make sure to follow me on the Skillshare. You can find me on the social media linked here, and please don't forget to train the code. Everything what you learn is important to be practiced. You need to be able to write it every time. So make some datasets of your own choice and try to predict on them. You can also post some of your pictures here. I'll be glad to help you with any issues if you will have during this project. And one more important thing. In the project, I linked a solution for the logistic regression from one of the Kaggle attendees. So if you got stuck through the project, and you are ashamed to write me, but please in first case write me, then you can check this logistic regression solution, how the other guys were solving these problems, okay? Guys, thank you very much once again for watching all these videos and the lectures of this course. Please give me a feedback. I want to improve myself, make the courses a little bit better. Thank you very much guys. I hope I will see you in the next course.